Oh, hello. My name is Richard Zurat. I'm a Senior Development Engineer at the Vishay Precision Group. I'm running a vibration test on various surface mount resistors. Let me pause this while I explain. I do this test to determine the relative termination strength and overall construction soundness. These factors are extremely important when selecting resistors to be used in applications where component failure and ultimately system failure due to vibration or thermal expansion is not an option. My test setup uses an Alpha Electronics ADR 601M resistance decade box, precision DMM, laptop computer, and vibration table. The vibration table subjects the test resistor to a plus or minus 2 degree deflection 25 times a second, while the test circuit measures the resistor's value and keeps track of its delta R, number of vibration cycles, and the overall lapse time of the test. A failure is considered any unit that changes more than 0.1% from its start value. This is a very severe accelerated life test. Presently, I'm testing an Alpha MPP unit that has been on test since yesterday and so far shows absolutely no signs of failure. Well, let's flash back to another unit done previously to give you a comparison. Here I'm testing a very popular 10K1206 thin film unit. Whoa! It failed just a few minutes into the test. If we take a close-up look at this unit before and after the test, you can see how the termination cracked and failed. This is the typical vibration failure mode of all chip-style surface mount resistors. This should be expected considering they all have the same basic termination design, with the only variances being the quality of the materials used and the care used to manufacture it. All chip-style surface mount resistors are susceptible to failure caused by vibration or thermal expansion. So let's go back to the Alpha MPP unit. The design of the Alpha MPP surface mount resistor is drastically different from all others. It uses a molded construction with flexible terminations that are capable of absorbing the PC board flexing induced by the vibration. It looks as if it will never fail. Definitely my choice for any harsh, high vibration environment like a downhole drilling rig or engine compartment in a tank. For more information about the complete line of Alpha resistors, go to the technical library on their website. They also offer on-site technical seminars and demonstrations performed by their field design engineers. Component and ultimately system failure in a high vibration or thermally unstable environment can usually be traced back to a mechanical failure of a weld, solder joint, connector, or termination. The Alpha MPP, because of its superior design and material selection, can handle vibration or thermal expansion with ease. Wonder how much longer this is going to take.